Hi, my name is Megan. I'm an education intern here at the Dyckman Farmhouse, and today we're going to be making a summertime lemonade with lemons and thyme. So for this recipe, all you'll need is water, some white sugar, lemon juice, and fresh thyme, and some ice as well. So our first step is to make a thyme-infused simple syrup. To do that, you're going to want to put 1 cup of water in your sauce pot, and then 1 cup of sugar, and then 4 sprigs of fresh thyme. And what you'll do is you'll bring that to a boil until the sugar dissolves, and that will make your simple syrup. And then while your simple syrup is boiling and you're getting that ready, you can go ahead and slice and squeeze your lemons to get your fresh lemon juice. Alright, and then once your simple syrup has gotten to a boil and the sugar has dissolved, you're going to want to take it off the heat and continue to let it steep off the heat for 8 to 10 minutes. So I'm going to do that now. We're using bricks because we have nothing else to use and we have them available at the farmhouse. So while I'm waiting for my thyme simple syrup to continue steeping, I'm going to combine my lemon juice and my water to make the lemonade. I did get a little bit of pulp when I squeezed all my fresh juice. That's okay, we can just strain it out really quickly. And to my 1 cup of lemon juice, I'm going to want to add 4.5 cups of water. Now that it's been about 10 more minutes, I'm going to remove the sprigs of thyme from my simple syrup. And after I've done that, all I need to do is wait for the syrup to reach room temperature, and then I can combine it with my lemon juice and my water. Once your simple syrup has cooled to a room temperature, you can go ahead and keep it in a storage jar in your fridge so that you can use however much you need for this recipe, and then you'll have some left over for the next time you make it. So for this recipe, you're going to want 3/4 of a cup of your simple syrup added to your lemon juice and water. So I have a 1/4 cup here, so I'm just going to do 3 of those. And this is also to taste, so if you want it to taste more like thyme and a little bit sweeter, you can add more, or you can add less as well. It's up to personal preference. So now I've got my lemonade poured over ice in a jar. I've got some thyme as decoration. You can add a lemon wedge as well if you'd want. And that's all you need to do to make summertime lemonade.